Good morning on our sea day. It's May 30th and I woke up a little bit confused because I was even rocking when I was in my bed, and I thought we were going to stay in the inside passage, but I got up and the waves are rocking the ship. We are listing and I can hear the wind through the door. That was something last year, that once we left our last port we went out into the open ocean and we didn't have the beautiful views anymore, and that's something I really wanted on this cruise. So I'm hoping we're gonna find a little patch of smoother water soon. The rockiness, I mean, I'm not getting seasick. I feel bad for people that maybe this is their first cruise experience, but the ship is definitely listing back and forth. We're gonna head to the buffet for breakfast, and my mom and I both have hair appointments today, and Ariel's gonna go to the kids club in the morning. So we'll show you how the day goes. Breakfast is my favorite meal in general, but on a cruise ship especially.
I kind of ate my donut. It was vanilla with rainbow sprinkles. And I got 2 types of cereals, waffles, and some syrup, and my usual banana bread.
We're hanging out in the Vista Lounge. We had a really nice hearty breakfast in the buffet. So the ship is not crowded right now, just I think because it's rocking so much. So it's nice. We finally have a quiet moment and a spot to sit in the Vista Lounge. And I would like to take a look at the shops again. I'm still looking for some gifts. It's still very rocky outside. That's what's nice about having a balcony stateroom. I prefer to see the waves when you're feeling this motion. I think it makes it better.
Yeah, so we're ready. That is 10 points! I love it! 10 points!
I'm a fragrance specialist. And Sonia, right behind me. I'm a beauty specialist. And right over there, the corner, we have Precious, other beauty specialist. So, if you need one-on-one consultations, I'm here to help.
So I just did the sea day sale and found a little charm bracelet for my medical assistant. I am just walking around the ship this morning. My mom and Ariel are finishing watching a movie about whales in the room. So we're deciding whether to do the arts and crafts coming up. I think we missed the Meet the Captain presentation in the theater while we were getting our hair done. This is lunch in the buffet, a hodgepodge of lots of comfort food here. Fish and chips, the quesadillas here are really good. A big juicy burger, some chicken nuggets, and my chocolate chip cookie. Blueberry tart. We went to arts and crafts in the Skagway dining room, which ended up being a bust. It was origami, which we can't figure out. I find it really frustrating, but we tried. We got to see the Skagway dining room because it is only open for only available for a reserve guest, which is a suite and kind of like a VIP experience. So we had lunch in the buffet. We got pictures with the Moose, McKinley the Moose. cruise. And I mentioned earlier I got something for my assistant, so it's a little charm bracelet, a little princess charm bracelet, which is pretty cute. So right now we're just relaxing. It is so cold outside. Ariel went to get her ice cream, and the chilled air coming, gusts of wind actually coming in through the door, just, you know, practically knock you over. So we can't go out on our balcony right now, so we're just hanging out inside. We're gonna try to go to the captain's cocktail, I think, for like loyalty guests, since we're elite and platinum. So we're planning that this evening, and then there is a show this evening, which we've seen before, but it was really good. It's rock opera. She has a non-alcoholic drink. This is the baked Alaska again. Mom got the baked Alaska too, and
Usual, I bet you know it.
ice cream with sprinkles. We are turning in for the night. We are losing an hour tonight, so we're getting to bed early, but actually we get to bed early every night on this cruise. So we went to the Captain's Circle Loyalty Cocktail Party, which was nice. We had never done that before. We got to shake hands with the captain, and Ariel and I got a picture with the captain and a couple of the officers, and we had some free drinks and got some appetizers and listened to live music. And then we went to dinner. It was a nice dinner. It was lobster night with the baked Alaska in the Juneau dining room. And then we went to see the production show Rock Opera, which was good. We had seen it on our previous cruise back in September, and I think that cast was actually better. I hope the weather is going to be better tomorrow. It never got better today. It continued to be rocky and windy and cold, and we weren't able to go out on the balcony at all. And the view has been just gray and looks stormy, and it's been raining at times. So I really hope as we get closer to Victoria, the weather's going to get better so we can at least enjoy the views and be able to be outside. So we are going to sign off for tonight. We'll see you in the morning.